Hi guys, it's Cindy and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, after not vlogging for Halloween months, so I'm gonna be unboxing Hakken's photo book, which just arrived earlier. So yeah, let's get started. Wow. um, Apparently this is envelope type, and here is how can. So yeah. So yeah, another one. Thank you. I'm hesitating to open this. So yeah, it's only the hands, but it's already fucking beautiful. Yeah, just look at her hands. So let's open this up. There's also this one here and here. Get this first. Yeah, so fucking crazy. Let's open this first. So yeah. Look at that, look at that. Just look. And the hands. The hands. The fucking hands. The hands. Just look at it. It's so beautiful. How can you have a perfect hand? Here. And I think, yeah, that was the last one. So yeah, let's see. This. Oh, how can he? She's so handsome. Like, just look at that. We. This. He have a signature and feet. How handsome can he be? Like, just look at that. He's so handsome. And here, just look at that. Wait, where's the I don't know. Just look at the jawline of his perfect face. Who wouldn't fall for him? Oh, I think this is the. Yeah? close up. Wait, close up. Wait, I think this part is the unrevealed one. Okay. Here, another one. Ooh, like the smile. How can he have such a nice smile? That. He's so beautiful. He's so beautifully drawn. Okay, fangirling. Just wow. Oh. Just look at that. This one. Look at that picture. It's so beautiful, handsome. The smile. Who wouldn't fall for the smile? Like, he's so cute. Cute and handsome. Yeah. Cute and handsome. This one. The smile. Wait. Okay, wait. Let's. Here. His side profile. No, even front view, side, or even the back one. Even his hands are so handsome and beautiful. Like, who wouldn't agree? Just look at that. Look at that face. Look at that face. Here. The hands. Just look at the face, hands. That's side view of him, which is so beautiful, handsome. No, I keep on saying that, but it's true. It's so freaking true. How can just look at that one? Wait, I think where's the other character? Fall for him. Fall for him. Like, he's so handsome. Who wouldn't fall for this guy? So yeah. Here. He's so beautiful. Like, oh wow. I think that's all. So yeah. He's so beautiful. Like, why didn't I knew about him when we went to Malaysia? If I had, I might meet him. I might met him there. So I still can't move on with his hands. The hands. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. So yeah, this is me fangirling of Hakken. So yeah, don't mind me. Pictures of his hands. Picture of his hands. A photo card and this one. And also this one. Isn't he just handsome? So yeah, this is Hakken's photo book and poster and postcards. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching how I'm fangirling to Hakken, and see you guys next time, which I don't know when, but yeah, see you guys next time. Jane!